Yes, good morning, everyone. What is the value of x and y that you got when you solve the same problem under substitution method? X is equal to 12, y is equal to minus 8. Okay. X is equal to 12, y is equal to minus 8. Good. Then did you try solving this problem? Okay, what is the answer that you got? What is the value of m and n? Okay, n is minus 3, m is equal to 3. N is minus 2 and m is equal to 3. Okay. So the value of m is 3 and value of n is minus 2. Under both the methods, you got the same answer? Okay, okay. Now let's go to the next problem. Now, until here, before I start this problem, until here, anybody has any doubt? Anyone who was not able to solve any problem? No? Okay. So which means everybody has understood, is it? Okay, good. Now let us solve this problem. Okay, I know many of you have solved this problem, but for few who have not solved or who have not understood, we will solve this problem together. Okay, so let us start. Now in this problem, we'll have to consider 2p plus 3q is equal to 8 as equation 1. Okay, and then 3p plus 2q is equal to 7 as equation 2, and 4p minus 3q is equal to 5a minus 17 as equation 3. Okay, many of you have solved. Good. Now help me solve the problem then once you've finished. Okay, so let us see. Okay, few of them have got different answers. Ainas, that is not the answer. Whatever Spurti has given, that answer is correct. Okay, so please recheck, because see, you might go wrong, no problem. Its equations are much of trial and error, but it should satisfy this equation properly. Now whatever p and q values you get, no, that should satisfy your the third equation. Yeah, a is equal to 3. Now let us solve this. Now what we will do, we will consider only two equations. So we will be considering the first two equations. So write down, consider equation 1 and 2 and solve simultaneously. Okay, so we are going to take equation 1, that is 2p plus 3q is equal to 8 and 3p plus 2q is equal to 7. Okay, so this is the two equations. Now for these two equations, how am I supposed to equate them? So for equation 1, what should I multiply with? Can you say me what should I multiply with equation 1? Good, 3. So multiply equation 1 with 3. And how about second equation? Multiply equation 2 with 2. Okay. So now we are going to multiply this equation with 3 and this equation with 2. Okay. Now let me add a new page here. So what is the first equation? 2p into, so we are going to multiply this into 3. So 2 3s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q is equal to 3 8s are 24. So this is my first equation after multiplying the value 3 with equation number 1. Now what is my second equation? 3p plus 2q is equal to 7. I'm supposed to multiply this with 2. So 3 2s are 6p, then 2 2s are 4q is equal to 7 2s are 14. So this is the equation that I have. Now I am supposed to change the signs here. So it will become minus, minus and minus. Correct? Now next 6p and 6p will get cancelled. 9 minus 4 is 5q is equal to 24 minus 14 is 10. Next, q is equal to 10 divided by 5. Q is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are. So q is equal to 2. Everybody got this answer? Q is equal to 2. Any doubts until here? Any doubts until here? Okay, good. Now, let us continue. Let us go to the next part. Once we found q, now what is the next step? We have to substitute in either of one equation. Okay. Now, let us consider substituting q is equal to 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2p plus 3q is equal to 8. Okay. So 2p plus 3 into q is 2, right? So is equal to 8. 2p plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 8. Are you all able to follow? Am I going fast or is this okay? Okay. So next is 2p is equal to 8 minus 6. So 2p is equal to 2. So therefore p is equal to 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So p is equal to 1. So I also got the value of p. Okay, so we got the value of q as well as p. Okay, now substituting p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 2 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 4p minus 3q is equal to 5a minus 17. 4 into 1 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 5a minus 17. 4 ones are 4, 3 twos are 6 is equal to 5a minus 17. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2 is equal to 5a minus 17. Now I'm going to take minus 17 to the other side. So what will become? Minus 17 will become plus 17. Plus 17 minus 2 is equal to 5a. Yes, correct. Plus 17 minus 2 is equal to 5a. So 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 is equal to 5a. So a is equal to, if I take 5 to the other side, it is going to become 15 by 5. Okay, 15 by 5. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Everybody understood till here? Okay. Now can we go to the next question? Okay, take down. Solve by the method of substitution. Solve by the method of substitution. Okay, the equations are 4x minus y is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, so these two are the equations. Now you have to use the method of substitution. Don't use elimination. I hope you are able to understand. Try solving this problem. Will you try it? Okay. You'll get 2 minutes. Try until how much ever you can, and then I will solve it. Okay. So here, this is going to be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Now here they have asked us to do it by the substitution method. So which means we will consider equation 1. Okay. So first we will be considering equation 1. So what is equation 1? 4x minus y is equal to 2. So from this let us derive x. So 4x is equal to 2. If I take minus y to the other side, it will become plus y. Correct? Then x is equal to, this is 2, let it not look like z. Okay, 2 plus y, when it is multiplication on one side, it is supposed to become division on the other side. Right? It is supposed to become division on the other side. So now I have x is equal to 2 plus y divided by 4. Okay. Now next, substitute x is equal to 2 plus y divided by 4 in equation 2. Okay. Now let us consider equation 2. What is equation 2? Minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Now, in the place of x, I am going to substitute 2 plus y divided by 4. So, minus 3 into 2 plus y, right? 2 plus y divided by 4 plus this 2y will remain as it is equal to 1. Now multiply this minus 3 here. So how much do you get? Minus 3 into 2 you get minus 6. Minus 3 into y will become minus y. This division by 4 will remain as it is. Oh sorry, this is minus 3y. Okay. Then plus 2y will remain is equal to 1. Now I am supposed to take the LCM. I'm supposed to take the LCM here. Now when I take the LCM, in the next step, it is gonna become whole divided by 4. Okay, it's gonna become whole divided by 4. And then you have to do the cross multiplication. Now if you don't have any denominator here, then you take it as divided by 1. Okay, so you're supposed to do the cross multiplication here. Now what do you do? Very good, Lakshmi. So 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. 1 into minus 3y is minus 3y. But here 4 into 2y will give you plus 8y. Okay, 4 into 2y will give you plus 8y. Whole divided by 4 is equal to 1. Did you all understand this step? I am taking LCM here. Since the LCM is plus 4, I also have to do the cross multiplication. Now next step, I have to take 4 to the other side. Okay. Now if I take 4 to the other side, minus 6 minus 3y plus 8y is equal to 1 into 4. It was division. When it comes up, it will become multiplication. So minus 6 minus 3y plus 8y is equal to 4 only. Okay. Now I can take minus 6 to the other side. So if I take minus 6 to the other side, 3y, okay, we'll also do this. Minus 3y and plus 8y. So which is 8y minus 3y. How much do you get? You get 5y. 8 minus 3y, you get 5y. So 5y is equal to 4. If I take 6 to the other side, it will become plus 6. Correct? So 5y is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. Y is equal to 10 by 5. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Now we found out what is the value of y. We substituted the value of x. We found the value of y. Now let us move on and finish the problem. Now you have to substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We will take equation 1. It is easy for us to do. So what is equation 1? 4x minus y. 4x minus y is equal to 2. So 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. 4x, if I take 2 to the other side, it will become 2 plus 2 because I am taking minus 2 to the other side. Correct? So 4x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 ones are. So therefore, x is equal to 1. Everybody got the same answer? Good. Okay. Everybody understood? Any doubts? Okay. Now let's go to the next problem. solve 5x minus 2y plus 25 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3x is equal to 29. This is the next problem. Now in this problem, if you see the equation number 1, okay, let us name this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Are both the equations, oh sorry, yeah, 3, no. It is 4y and 3x. Sorry for that. It is 4y minus 3x. That is the question. Now, they are not in the same format, right? See, usually we used to get x and x, then y, and then you'll have constant and constant. This was the format for us. But here, this format is not followed. So, what we will do is, let us first bring the equations to this format, and then we will continue to solve the equations. Okay, so firstly, or we will do like this, put the equations in proper form. Okay, put the equations in proper form. Good Spurti, good Lakshmi. You're giving it a try. Others also can try and put the answer in the chat box. Okay, so the first equation, I'm going to take it like this: 5x minus 2y. Okay, this is our normal formula or normal form of equation. Now that plus 25, I will take it to the other side. Now if I take plus 25 to the other side, it is going to become minus 25. Correct? Plus 25, if I take it to the other side, it becomes minus 25. So this is going to be my equation 1. Now coming to equation 2. So what I'm going to do, I'll take 3x to the first. So you have to take it including minus. So minus 3x, 4y will come to this side, plus 4y is equal to 29. So now we have two equations in the required format, equation 1 and equation 2. Yes, correct. Good. Now, what is the thing is, they have not, particularly asked us to solve it in the method. So you can use any method which is easy for you. You can use method of elimination or you can use method of substitution. Any method which is comfortable for you, you can use. So here, let us take method of elimination. I think that is, much easier for you people, and it is with less step. You don't have more steps in method of elimination. Now let us solve. So you have two equations, that is 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 25 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 29. So these are the two equations. Now to make this first x as the same number, which number should I multiply with them? Equation 1 with, so multiply equation 1 with equation 1 with what? Plus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 and 5. Okay. But then the whole equation will change. If we multiply with minus 3, what will happen is, this will become minus 15. But this will become plus, this will also become plus. Okay, so so there are two possibilities in this. We can go with -3, but there are two possibilities in this. Understand that. Now, either I can multiply x I can change, or I can also go with y. This will also work. Now here what we will do, let's try with y, because we have always done it with x. And since there is minus in x, you might get confused while multiplying it. Okay, Spurti already got the answer. -3 and 5. Correct. Bindu, correct. Good. Now what we will do is we will change y. You will still get the same answer. Do not worry about it. Okay. So let us try this one. You can also try with x. Let us try one with y also. Now if you see here, y and y, now we have to multiply equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 1. If you're able to understand. Did you all understand? Yeah. So multiply equation 1 with 2 and multiply equation 2 with 1. Okay. Now, now let us go here. So what is equation 1? So you have 5x and we are supposed to multiply that with 2. 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 25. This has to be multiplied into 2. So you'll get 5x, sorry, 5 2s are 10. So you get 10x. Then you will get 2 2s are 4. So you get 4y is equal to 25 into 2 is minus 50. Did you all understand till here? So this is your equation number 1. Now what is your equation number 2? Minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 29, and we are multiplying this with 1. So minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 29. Now here, do not change the sign. Do not change the sign. Why you should not change the sign? Because if you see here 4y and 4y, it's already in plus and minus format. Okay, it's already in plus and minus format. When you have like this where you can cancel directly, do not change the signs. So here directly you can cancel. So I'll just write it here. Do not change sign. Understood? So whenever you have minus and plus or plus and minus, in both the cases you can cancel the variables directly. So do not change the sign and solve. Now what is remaining for us? 10x minus 3x will give me 7x minus 50 plus 29. How much will it give? 50 minus 29 will give me 21. No, it's not minus. Okay, yeah. Minus 21, correct. Minus 21. So x is equal to minus 21 because 50 is the greater number and so it has minus sign. So we'll take minus 21. Okay. So 21 minus 21 by 7. So therefore X is equal to 7 ones are 7 threes are minus 3. Understood? Any doubts still here? X is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now let's continue. Substituting x is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 25. So 5 into minus 3 minus 2y is equal to minus 25. So 5 threes are 15, but it is 5 into minus 3. So minus 15 minus 2y is equal to minus 25. Okay. Now let us take 15 to the other side. Minus 2y is equal to minus 25 plus 15. So minus 2y is equal to, how much do you get? Minus 25 plus 15 is minus 10. You get minus 10. Next. So both the sides there are minus, or okay, we will do it here. Y is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2. Now here I can cancel both the minus. Yes, correct. So 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Everybody got the same answer? Good. Now let us quickly try one more problem. Now see, in equations, don't expect same problems or same type of problem being repeated all the time. Okay, you can have different problems. They can ask you different variety of problems, but the basic thing is method of elimination, method of substitution. You have to use these two methods only. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Solve x is equal to 2y. That is one equation. 3x is equal to 7 minus 2y. Okay, so these are the two equations. Now, can you say me which method should I use here? Should I use method of elimination or should I use method of substitution? See the question carefully and then say me, should I use the method of elimination or substitution? They have not mentioned anything. I can use any method, but which is suitable? Which is easier for us? Okay, I have few answers. Many are saying substitution. Bindu says elimination. Okay. People who are saying substitution, why substitution? Why should I follow that method? Why will it become easier? Because x is equal to 2y is already given to us. Very good. Okay, so x is equal to 2y is already defined to us. So we will be considering that and we will go with the substitution method. Great. Which means you have understood the equation methods. Now let us continue. So let equation 1 and 2 be this. Okay. Now consider equation 2, 3x is equal to 7 minus 2y. We will not change anything. We will take the equation 2 directly and we will solve. Okay, you already got the answer. Y is equal to 7 by 8. Good, Spurti. Okay, others also keep solving. X is equal to 7 by 4. Good. Lakshmi,